HG Firearms Training is committed to helping our students navigate the new online Illinois Concealed Carry License application. In an effort to provide the best possible continued training, we have created this easy-to-follow presentation that will take you through the entire application process, from obtaining your Illinois Digital Signature ID to processing your payment. We hope that this presentation will answer any questions that you may have about the online application process. To apply for your Illinois Concealed Carry License, visit the Illinois State Police website or www.hgfirearmstraining.com, where you can find a link directing you to the Illinois State Police Concealed Carry Licensing application page. From the Illinois State Police website, locate and click Concealed Carry. From the Illinois State Police Concealed Carry Licensing application page, locate and click New Applicants Apply. Before applying for your Illinois Concealed Carry License, you must have Java installed on your computer. Internet Explorer is recommended before proceeding. To verify Java is installed and working properly, locate and click Current Java. Click on this link. You will be redirected to the Java website. Here you will verify the Java version on your computer. Locate and click Verify Java Version. If Java is installed and properly working, you will see this page. You can close this page and return to the Illinois Concealed Carry Licensing application page. If Java is not installed or not working properly, you will see instructions on how to install Java on your computer. Follow the instructions, verify that it is installed and working properly, then return to the Illinois State Police Concealed Carry Licensing application page. Remember, Java must be installed and working properly in order to receive an Illinois Digital Signature ID and to apply for the Illinois Concealed Carry License. Ensure that you are using Internet Explorer. If you are still experiencing problems properly installing Java, consult an experienced computer technician. From the Illinois State Police Concealed Carry Licensing application page, you must now get an Illinois Digital Signature ID. The Illinois Digital Signature ID is required in order to apply for the Illinois Concealed Carry License. Locate and click How do I get an Illinois Digital Signature ID? Illinois Residence. Locate and click the Illinois Residence tab. Non-residents of Illinois. Locate and click the Non-residents tab. Locate and click Illinois Digital ID website. It is important to remember that if this window appears at any time, you are required to click Run. Failure to do so may result in your Illinois Digital Signature ID or your Illinois Concealed Carry License application failing to be processed properly. Most computer systems will now attempt to detect your Java version. While it is detecting your Java version, It will remind you that if you receive this pop-up message, then you must click I accept the risk, followed by clicking Run. Read the State of Illinois Digital ID Subscriber Agreement in full. It is your responsibility to completely understand this agreement. After reading and understanding the State of Illinois Digital ID Subscriber Agreement, locate and click Non-Illinois Resident Accept if you are a non-resident, and locate and click Illinois Accept for Illinois residents. To ensure that your Illinois Digital Signature ID is processed properly, you must enter your personal information exactly as registered with the Secretary of State Driver Services Department and found on your valid driver's license or identification card. When entering your information, some things to remember. Add spaces where there are spaces. Add punctuation where there is punctuation. If your address says street on your driver's license or ID card, do not abbreviate street. When entering your driver's license number or your ID number, be sure to use the dashes when they are appropriate. Some common reported errors. Entering a period after the middle initial. Not entering 3 digits in the wait field, i.e. 098. An additional common reported error. For subscribers with a last name starting with O, as in O'Neill, ensure that the letter O, rather than the numeric 0, is entered as the first letter of the driver's license. All State of Illinois driver's license numbers start with the first letter of your last name. All State of Illinois identification card numbers end with the first letter of your last name. Several users have reported being rejected when creating their digital signature ID by not entering the information exactly as it appears on their driver's license or ID. Ensure that all your information is entered in exactly as it appears on your driver's license or identification card. Located near the bottom of the page, there is a privacy verification. Ensure that you read and understand this privacy verification. There is also a checkbox located at the bottom of the page. By leaving this box unchecked, you are consenting to allow your name and address to be shared with other state applications. If you do not consent to your name and address being shared with other state applications, you must check the checkbox. After completing this page, it is recommended that you verify all the information you have entered is exactly as it appears on your driver's license or identification card. After you have completed this, locate and click Submit. Remember, if the security warning window appears, you must click I accept the risk, followed by clicking Run. You will now see the Create and Trust Roaming Security Store screen appear. The user ID that you created on the previous screen should appear in the user ID box. If it does not appear, enter your user ID. You are now required to create your Illinois Digital Signature ID password. Your password must be at least 8 characters, must contain an uppercase and lowercase character. Do not use any part of your name or user ID. password and your confirmed password must match. Locate and click Create Security Store. At this time, your digital ID is being processed. Do not close this page. Your Illinois Digital Signature ID has been created. Locate and click Close this window. Remember, if this window appears at any time, you are required to click Run. After completing your Illinois Digital Signature ID, return to the Illinois State Police Concealed Carry Licensing application page. Enter your Illinois Digital Signature ID, username, and password. Locate and click Sign In. Read the waiver of confidentiality and the warning concerning entering false information in full. It is your responsibility to read and understand both the waiver and the warning. After reading and understanding the waiver of confidentiality and the warning concerning entering false information, locate and check both of the I agree to the terms above checkboxes. Locate and click Next. Answer all questions. If you had your fingerprints electronically scanned by an authorized live scan vendor, enter your transaction control number. Remember, electronic fingerprints are not required. If you do not have a TCN, click No. If electronic fingerprints are not submitted, the Illinois State Police has an additional 30 days to process the application. Locate and click Next. Answer all questions. If you do not have a valid FOID card and click No, the following window will appear. Your concealed carry license application cannot be approved without a valid FOID card. Your concealed carry license application is incomplete and must be updated once you receive your FOID card number. If you fail to update your application with a valid FOID card number within 90 days for applications with fingerprints or 120 days for applications without fingerprints, your application will be rejected. Once rejected, you will be notified and given an additional 60 days to provide a valid FOID card number. If, after the additional 60 days, you fail to provide a valid FOID card number, your application will be deemed denied. The concealed carry license application fee is non-refundable. Locate and click Next. The Illinois State Police Concealed Carry Licensing application is processing your information. This may take a few minutes. Do not close the window. Answer all questions. Locate and click Next. The email communication window will appear. It is important to remember that this is how the Illinois State Police will contact you. Verify that your email address is correct. If it is correct, locate and click Continue. Add your current address. "10 years of residence is required. If additional addresses need to be entered, locate and click Add Address. Add your previous address. If additional addresses need to be entered, repeat the process. The year required will adjust until the 10-year requirement is met. Locate and click Next. Answer all questions. Locate and click Next. Enter your Illinois Concealed Carry Training Instructor's name from your Illinois Concealed Carry License Certificate. As you enter the last name of your instructor, this field should auto-populate. Locate and click your instructor's name. Enter your Illinois Concealed Carry Training Instructor's Concealed Carry Trainer ID number, located on your Illinois Concealed Carry Certificate. You will now need to upload electronic copies of your completed training. Examples: scanned copies of your Illinois Concealed Carry Firearms Training Certificate, NRA Basic Pistol Course Certificate, DD-214, or other training certificates that qualify for training time as prescribed by the Illinois State Police. Before you can upload your training certificates, you will first need to digitize them. This is accomplished by scanning them with a digital scanner and saving them to your computer. It is recommended you save the scanned documents as Adobe Acrobat PDFs. To upload your saved, scanned documents, locate and click Add File. You will be prompted to browse your computer to locate the saved, scanned document. Once the document is located and chosen, it will automatically verify and upload. If additional documents need to be uploaded, locate and click Add File and repeat the process. Locate and click Next. A digital photograph needs to be uploaded. It is your responsibility to read and understand the photograph requirements. There are several options to obtain a digital photograph. Examples: digital passport photo kiosk. Some live scan vendors may provide the service. Your own personal digital camera. Once you have obtained your digital photograph, you will need to save it to your computer. Ensure that your photograph meets all of the photo requirements listed on this page. Any photograph that does not meet all of the requirements could delay or reject your Illinois Concealed Carry License application. To upload your saved digital photograph, locate and click Add Photo. You will be prompted to browse your computer to locate the saved digital photograph. Once the photograph is located and chosen, it will automatically verify and upload. Your digital photograph should appear in the Photo Here area. This is what the Illinois State Police will use for your Illinois Concealed Carry License. Verify that the image that appears meets all of the photo requirements. If the image of your digital photograph does not meet all of the photo requirements, you will see options to remove or delete the image. After removing or deleting the image, you will have the option to add another digital photograph. After verifying that your photograph meets all of the requirements, locate and click Next. Remember, if this window appears at any time, you are required to click Run. You will now digitally sign your Illinois Concealed Carry License application. It is your responsibility to read and understand the signature certification in full. After you have read and understand the signature certification, enter your Illinois Digital Signature ID password. Locate and click Sign and Pay. If after clicking Sign and Pay, you are not directed to the next page, then locate and click Next. Billing information is required. Enter your billing information. Verify all of your information is correct. Locate and click Continue. Payment information is required. Choose either the credit card tab or the electronic check tab. This presentation shows the credit card option in use. The electronic check option gives you the option to enter in check information and use funds directly from your checking account. When using the credit card option, enter your credit card number, the cardholder's name, the credit card expiration date, and the CVV number, which is the 3-digit code on the back of your credit card. You will see the payment amount and total amount, as well as a single payment option. Verify that this information is correct. Verify that all of your information is correct. Locate and click Continue. Before submitting your payment, verify that all of the information you have entered is correct. If you need to make any corrections, locate and click Edit for a particular area. After you have verified all of your information is correct, locate and click the checkbox to authorize your account to be charged. Locate and click Submit Payment. Your Illinois Concealed Carry License application has been successfully submitted. Although not required, it is recommended that you print your confirmation. Submission of your Illinois Concealed Carry License application does not guarantee approval. The Illinois State Police will contact you in the event information needs to be corrected on your application or if your application has been denied. The Illinois State Police has 90 to 120 days to review your application, depending if electronic fingerprints were submitted. Visit the Illinois State Police Concealed Carry Licensing webpage if you have any further questions regarding the application review and approval process, or you may contact HG Firearms Training at hgfirearmstraining@comcast.net. Locate and click Home to exit the Illinois State Police Concealed Carry License application. We hope that this presentation has been useful while navigating the new online Illinois Concealed Carry License application. We understand that the Illinois State Police has been making necessary changes to the online application. If you have seen information presented here that is not accurate because of a recent change made by the Illinois State Police, please contact us at HG Firearms Training at comcast.net or call 815-322-9715.